crispy, fluffy hash browns. Let's show you how we make them. To start off with, we're going to prep our potatoes. So for this recipe, we're going to use 5 medium potatoes and we're going to peel them. We've used Maris Piper potatoes. Next up, we're going to have to boil our potatoes. So get a large pan of boiling water and add some salt to this. Then slowly add the potatoes one at a time. We're going to boil the potatoes for 15 minutes. This step is really important in getting that nice fluffy hash brown. Once the potatoes have been boiled for 15 minutes, you're going to drain them and leave them to cool for about 30 to 45 minutes. Once the potatoes have cooled down, we can continue the process of transforming them into delicious hash browns. So you're going to start by grating all of your potatoes. Once you've grated your potatoes, place them on a large plate. We've done this to make sure that our seasoning is evenly distributed between all of our potatoes. We're going to really season this well to add a lot of flavour to our hash browns. We're going to start by adding salt, then pepper, and some smoked paprika just to add a little bit of heat. You can add maybe half to 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. To help bring it all together, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Give this all a good mix to make sure all that seasoning is evenly distributed. We found this easiest to do with a fork. We also like our hash browns to have a little bit of cheese in them, so we're going to top ours with some grated cheddar cheese. This is optional, but honestly, why wouldn't you want to do this? Again, use your fork to give that all a good mix. Once that's all mixed in, you can shape your hash browns. We found that this amount of mix makes about 8 large hash browns. So to cook these hash browns, we're going to pan fry them. So we've got a large non-stick pan and we're going to add some sunflower oil to it. Once that's nice and hot, add your hash browns. You want to cook them on each side for about 5 minutes, and after about a minute, just gently press down on the hash browns. After about 5 minutes, flip the hash browns over and leave them to cook on the other side for another 5 minutes. Again, once you flip them over, just gently press them down. And there you have the perfect golden, crispy hash brown. Crispy on the outside and soft and fluffy in the middle. What more could you want?